All right, the setup for today is one homemade vibration trickler. It will trickle into an RCBS scale. The RCBS scale has information on the front and the rear. This allows you to sit in front of the scale and allows the Raspberry Pi to sit behind it so it's out of the way. All right, next thing we have is 12 volts coming in. It's feeding a buck converter. Buck converter is feeding the vibration motor 1.5 volts. It's actually a 3-volt vibration motor. We're going to a MOSFET. It's being fed by the Raspberry Pi from the information it receives from the Python program that's running OpenCV. And then it's coming out and going back out to our trickler. All right, let's see this run. All right, and we're back. So now we're behind the Raspberry Pi. It's easier to film. You will also notice the Raspberry Pi is raised on this stand, and that's so there is zero parallax issues with the scale. So we have our trickler. I also include the light, so you could see our medium will be going into the pan. Our medium today is going to be Morton coarse kosher salt. All right. So what we have here is the OpenCV program running, and it's very simple. What it does, it'll select something on the screen, it'll track it, just like other OpenCV programs you've seen. Let's see. So it'll actually show the pixel that it's selected. That's the blue dot. The pink is a static location around the blue dot when the mouse is selected. And then you'll see the current pixel of where the blue dot is now. All right, so we'll track that. That looks good. Yeah, we'll track like right there. All right, and so now we're gonna come over, change this to a little over 3 grains. I'm gonna hit the space bar, and now it's sending a PWM signal of 11 with 0.05 delay. Now I have set it statically, so when the current pixel is a few pixels away from the selected pixel, it'll go down to PWM speed of 4. This is all set up statically, not dynamically. All right, so there we go. 180, 178, 180. All right, we'll do this again. All right, and you see that? All right. So how we have it set up, it's acting almost exactly like an infrared break beam scale. All right, so the 1, 2, or possibly 3 people in the world that might actually build something like this for their powder measure, I wish you the best of luck.